Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video I have a small haul to show you guys from Mercari. I've already done several haul videos from Mercari. The first few hauls I did, I spent a few $100s and I got some amazing rare antique finds. I got thousands of dollars in joy making supplies for just a few $100s, and that was an epic haul for me. Huge. It took like 6 or 8 hours for me to film all that, but I just had to show you guys what I found because a lot of it I didn't know what it was, and you guys helped me identify a lot of it. So anyways, for this video I have a small haul to show you guys from Mercari. I've also bought a lot of other stuff from the site. I really love the site. It's like my new Amazon. So anyways, before I show you what I got, I just want to tell you, in case you didn't know, if you click on the link down in the description bar, I will have a link for Mercari. If you want to start shopping on there for beads or whatever, because they also have household stuff, clothing, all kinds of stuff you can buy on Mercari. It's kind of like eBay. So if you go down there, you click on the link using your cell phone, you download the app, you make an account, you will get $10 off your first purchase. You can also go to Mercari on your computer, but I don't think you will get the coupon doing it that way. From my experience, this is what I have seen. Now you can still shop on Mercari with your computer. I've done it. I've bought several things, but if you want to get that $10 coupon, you have to download the app, make an account on your phone, and then you'll get the $10 coupon. So anyways, down there in the description bar you'll see the link. You can get $10 coupon, and a lot of stuff on there you can get for 10 bucks and no shipping, or get something for $5 with $5 shipping. You get it for free. So anyways, for this little haul here, I have to show you guys. I had a $10 coupon myself, and I went on to Mercari and I saw this lady. She posts a lot of beading supplies. I think that's all she posts. Her name is Jenny Koob. I think I'm saying that right. Jenny, Jenny, last name Koob, Koob. If you make an account, like I said, with your phone, you get a $10 coupon. Then you can go and put in her name and maybe find her that way, or just put in beads and jewelry making supplies, beading supplies, stuff like that, and she'll probably pop up. When you click on it, you'll scroll down, you'll see profiles. I don't know if you can actually find a profile or not. I haven't searched that yet. But anyways, she posts a lot of beading stuff, a lot of Czech fire polish beads, and she'll post a whole bunch of stuff at one time where it's like a huge haul that you can get. So anyways, you can go and check her out. This is where I got the beads from, was from her. And here is the bag. This is a quart size bag, I would say. Anyways, I mostly got this for the seed beads, the 6/0 seed beads. But I'm going to start with what's on top of the bag, which is these here. These are Lampwork. These are gorgeous. This is my first time actually opening the bag. I just opened it, took it out of the bubble mailer, but I did not go through the bags individually. These here are some beautiful Lampwork, amazing quality. I see two different shapes in here. There is hearts, and then there is this shape here. I love them. They are beautiful. I'm a huge fan of white and black. And there's actually white, black, and bronze in this. Okay, so there's this, and I guess I'll put this away, but there is, I have a bead scooper here, but there's another bag in here that I think has these same beads in them, so I will probably put them together if they are the same. Okay, so yeah, here's another one, Lampwork. I think they're the same. I'm going to have to compare them. But again, really pretty Lampwork beads. I don't see any cracks in them, which is nice, because I feel like all the time when I get Lampwork beads, they're cracked. At least one of them is. Okay, so I'll put those back. I know that's making the camera act weird. There's these here. They're like crow beads. They have huge holes. They're Czech. though. I have some of these in my stash. They have giant holes. This is like a 5 or 6 millimeter hole. They're really cool. I think that these would work on paracord. They're glass. They are not plastic. They are gorgeous. Okay. And then these here, which I have not gone through this bag. I'm actually dying to see what's inside. I thought these were incredible. Are these Lampwork? Let's see. What? They are ceramic. I could tell by the hole. See that right there? It's ceramic. If it was Lampwork, it would have the dust inside right there from the bar that they slide out. But that's Lampwork. And I was wondering if this was painted on, but it's not. That is the varnish. These are gorgeous. They kind of remind me of Z beads. There's a bunch of them. They also kind of look like bone. I love these. Those are epic. Those are gorgeous. Okay, and then we also have, oh, look at those little O beads. Well, they're not called O beads, they're Lampwork. But look at that. Those are cool. There's bumpy beads in here. I've never seen this before. It's a little dusty from, you know, the inside of the bead, but look at this one. Look how that's shaped. Isn't that cool? And then there's these. Is this purple? Yeah, purple. I love those. The bumpy beads are really neat. There's actually a bunch of these. Yeah, and then there's this one here that has a stripe on it. Now this bead here, I could tell you is painted. See that white, the hole? I always look at the hole. I could tell what's going on with the bead just by looking at the hole. That there is white. The bead itself is white. And this here is paint that's over top of it. So this here will eventually come off. They're painted. But those bumpy beads are so cool. These actually look like evil eyes because of that circle right there. I love those. Okay, moving on. I gotta show you the seed beads I got. I don't know if I'm there yet. Am I there yet? Looks like I have a few more bags to show you before I get to the seed beads. Okay, that's closed. And then these here, I've never seen this shape before. This is a Czech bead. It's table cut. It's super tiny. It's like 4 millimeter, right? So it's table cut on one side and the other side. But then the other edges are faceted. It's kind of like a 4 millimeter Czech fire polish bead that has two sides shaved off, if that makes sense to you. It's really tiny. It's Picasso, I think. There's a lot in here. I don't really know if I can use this for weaving because it is kind of an oval shape. But I do know that there is a ton in here. I think there might be 300 or 400 in there. That's a lot. Or maybe there's 335 in there, but that could have also been the price because I did notice that some of these here were priced. But yeah, those are cool. Never seen those before. And then these. Okay, these, I saw the picture, and these here were bugle beads. I wasn't too excited about this. I'm actually not a big fan of bugle beads. I have a lot of them. But I just thought, I love the seed beads, the Lampwork beads. They're gorgeous. I'll just get it, you know, this here, I'll just put it somewhere in my stash. But now that I have them, I don't think these are regular bugle beads. or maybe they are just huge. But look at this. Why are they so thick? Look at this bugle bead. It's like 10 millimeters long and 4 millimeters around. It is huge. They are so cool. I think these would be awesome in a loom bracelet. Do colored thread or cord. The holes, I would say, are a millimeter, so I could actually use my C-Lon or S-Lon cord. I have it in several colors. That would be neat because it's clear to have a colored cord going through it. I could also use them on wire. I've never seen them this big. They are huge. So that was a surprise, a very happy surprise. Oh, and in case you're wondering, this bead scoop, I always get asked about this because I use it a lot. I got this from Shipwreck Beads. It was a 2-pack of these. I have seen some other online bead stores carry them, but I think that only Shipwreck Beads has them in a 2-pack. And I would say I've had like 4 different kinds of the bead scoopers, and this one is definitely the best. I have this one here, okay, which is great for scooping up beads, seed beads and stuff, and putting them in their tubes. But every time I go to pick it up, there's always some left out that I can't get. So I always have to go back again and again until I get them all. But this one, you just scoop all of them up, you know, as much as this little tray will hold, and dump it right into the tube. So that one's my favorite because of that. And also, I have another scooper. This one here, this one's a shovel at one end and tweezers at this end. I like this one for getting beads out of compartments, especially the compartments that have square bottoms that aren't rounded, because it's hard to get them out of the corners. Now I got long nails so I can get mine out. But depending on how small the holes are, sometimes it's great to use this little scooper here. But still, this one for picking beads off my surface is the best. There's also another bead scooper that I used to have. It was, I think, this long. It looked like a little shovel. It was purple with a tiny handle. That one was really cute, but it still did not do what this one does. This one is epic. Alright, on to the seed beads. So these here, I think these are painted. I've never seen a color mix like this. They are pastel. I don't think that they're a special name brand. I think they might be cheapos. Right? Let me see. Yeah, they look like they're painted, but they're really pretty. I can find something to do with them. I always do. They kind of look like candy, don't they? Like nerds or something? Alright, I'm going to put these back. There's a lot in here, by the way. This is a lot of beads. I'm going to show you why I really bought this. So now the reason why I bought this was because of these. But I didn't just get one bag. I got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags. They look like Preciosa Ornella. They used to call them Preciosa Ornella, but they kind of, Preciosa got rid of the Ornella name and just went with Preciosa. But they are matte, opaque seed beads, 6-ohs, and they are Czech. I could tell by the picture that they were Czech, that they were good quality. And she has these marked $2 a bag. I don't know if she had like a bead store or something, but I think for $2 a bag, that is cheap. Because what is it, like at Walmart, they sell those tubes of the crummy seed beads, which I still buy, by the way. I still buy those beads. I've beaded for like over 20 years and I still go and buy those. I use them in certain projects. But those are like $1.88. Am I right? A tube? So these are Czech. They're good quality. And they have a permanent finish. They're not painted. I'm going to open it up and show you. I've never seen this bag before. It's really cool. But it has all my favorite colors in there. My turquoise, There's blue, there's purple, red. I love this color mix. It's rainbow, it's happy. I don't know if I'm going to sort these out, because I usually do that. I don't usually leave bead mixes like this together, because when I need beads, I have to count the beads out. I need to make sure that I have enough. So when they're in a mix like this, it's hard for me to know if I will have enough for a project. But I do like them mixed together in that they look beautiful mixed together. But yeah, there is a lot here. That's a lot. Oh no, did I forget to mention how much I paid for this? So she had this marked for $10 and shipping was $10, but I had a $10 coupon. So I only paid 10 bucks for all of these beads. I thought that was a really good deal. They're so pretty. So this is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and please check out Mercari. There is so much stuff on there. Remember, I will leave a link down there for Mercari. Click on the link with your cell phone, make an account, and then you will get a $10 coupon. And if you're lucky, you can find something that is $10, no shipping, or find something that's maybe $6 with $3 to ship, and you get the item for free. So it's pretty awesome. And if you want, if you don't, I know a lot of you commented and said you didn't have a cell phone. That's okay. You can still order from Mercari. It actually just used to be a mobile device app, but it was so popular that they made it into a website also that you can use with your computer. So whatever you use the most, that's what you could do. I have not tried to make an account though with my laptop and see if I can get do it that way. You can try if you want. If you're on this and you're on a computer watching this video, click on the link with your computer and see if you can make an account. And if something pops up telling you no, then you know that you would have to do it with a cell phone to get the $10 coupon. So this is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video. Leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure that you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. And check me out on my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.